Working with the editable poly object provides a great deal of flexibility. Polygon objects can be used to create nearly any model that you would want inside of 3ds Max. They can range from low poly models for game development all the way to high definition models for major Hollywood feature productions. 3ds Max offers several ways of editing polygon objects. One method is to use the tools within the editable poly object themselves to work with the sub-object levels. While these tools are extremely useful and offer a wide range of editing options, they do not offer the range of options available in the Graphite modeling tools. Click on the Application button. Click Open from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Chapter 3 subdirectory. Open the file Chapter 3 Graphite Modeling Tool 01.max. This opens a file with the landscape object and the road shape that we will use to get an overview of the Graphite modeling tools. Before we move on, go ahead and select the Landscape 01 object. Then click over to the Modify tab on the command panel. The Graphite modeling tools are built into a ribbon just below the main toolbar. There are several options for displaying the ribbon. Your Graphite modeling tools ribbon may not look the same as mine. To change this, let's go ahead and open the Graphite modeling tools by clicking the down arrow to the right of the Show Full Ribbon icon. You'll see we have three options: Minimize to Tabs, Minimize to Panel Titles, and Minimize to Panel Buttons. If we select Minimize to Panel Titles, you'll see the ribbon will expand by one small level, and each of the panel titles will have a flyout menu as you scroll your mouse over them. Put your mouse over the Polygon Modeling panel title. You'll see options for accessing the sub-object level of the polygon, as well as several other options. In the Graphite Modeling Tools ribbon, click the Show Full Ribbon button to fill the ribbon with the Graphite Modeling Tools options. Using this format, you have access to a majority of the options in the Graphite Modeling Tools without having to open the drop-down menu. You will notice that there are several tool panels that have a down arrow next to the title of the panel. This indicates that there are additional options within that panel. If you want to keep those options open for that panel, you can click the Pin Panel button, and those options will remain visible while you're editing using the Graphite modeling tools. In order to access tools specific to each sub-object level, we need to be in the Modify panel. Then you can click on the sub-object level you'll be editing in the Graphite modeling tools. Go ahead and click on the Vertex sub-object level. You'll notice that a new set of panels and associated options are now available to you. If we click on the Polygon sub-object, you'll notice that the options change to match the Polygon sub-object and provide the appropriate tools. The Freeform tab provides advanced tools for building and modifying topology of your 3D polygon object. This includes the ability to draw splines on a surface, for instance, or create branches that grow off of 3D geometry. The Paint Deform section allows you to sculpt the topology of your model using a brush to push and pull polygons in order to deform the surface. This is useful for creating simple landscapes. The Selection tab works in conjunction with the sub-object that you currently have active and allows you to perform more advanced sub-object selection. This gives you tools that allow you to perform complex selections using a variety of selection options. The Object Paint is a fully interactive, three-dimensional object painting system built into the viewport of 3ds Max. For instance, if you want to paint trees on your landscape, you could use the Object Paint option to fill your landscape with trees. While the Graphite modeling tools do not completely replace traditional modeling techniques, they do offer an extended set of tools that enhance the polygon modeling capabilities of 3ds Max.